You won the town?
You're gonna have to go through me!
Hey, ugly! Why don't you fight a real man with a really awesome mustache?
Thank goodness you are here!
Here, hold this. And this. And this. Oh, and if that's too heavy, maybe you can just hand it to Maria. My name is Joaquin, son of Captain Mondragon. Tonight, the town of San Angel is under my protection. Prepare to be beaten.
Get him, Plomo!
Hey, girl.
You goofball.
Ow. Oh. All right, that's just not hurting at all.
The beautiful hero! He has the medal of everlasting life!
And don't ever come back.
Yeah, you better run away. That was incredible.
You really...
Give me one last dance before we hit the ground.